This video is going to cover the sliders in AutoUi for GameMaker. If you don't know what this is, it's a GameMaker package that allows you to easily add customizable buttons, labels, images, and more with built-in auto alignment, mouse functionalities, and a bunch of other useful features. You can check the link in the description for more details on all the included elements. So the slider has two variations, a horizontal one and a vertical one. Most people are probably going to use the horizontal one because you would use this for volume settings or just other option settings. So it takes a size parameter, and this size parameter is essentially dependent on whether you choose horizontal or vertical. Since I'm doing a horizontal, the size is actually going to be the horizontal size of this. So let's set this to 400. It's going to have a minimum value and a maximum value, and then your initial value. Let's set it 50, why not? It then takes a handle sprite. So we'll do scroll handle. It takes your, your background 9 slice. So because this is a horizontal, I have a scroll bar H here, and then increment. This is the amount it changes by. So if I just set this to 1, each individual, well, actually, I'll just show you. Add slider. So when I run this, here's your slider, and now each individual notch on this thing is, because this is to 1. If I set this to 10, you can see it kind of clamps every 10 units. And then changing this to vertical would kind of do the same thing. One of the things you can do with the slider is set on value changed, which takes a function, again, and optional parameters if you want. For instance, you could have this, and then your, let's do count equals auto label. Just for now, we'll set 50, and then we're going to pass in count. I think I might have to do count first. We'll add slider and then count. And then we can just do, count. We could do count dot set text to get value. Value changed func. There you go. Okay. So now you can see it just changes based on when this changes. And that's pretty much it for the slider. You can also, set the value to whatever you want. So if you want to set it to 0 after you create it or whatever, it'll default there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching.